Hello, this is part 2 of how to make a really simple Python app which generates passwords. The next part we're going to cover is going to be our search click. I already pre-typed everything up, and I'm going to show you what our goal is. I want to be able to type a name up here, which would be, I already know that's one of my company names, search, and the password showing up right there. So I need to make a function that will grab whatever you type in here, then gives you what should be considered the value, and it gives you what the, that would be the key up here, and then this password here would give you the value. And so what I've typed, I also have it too, by the way. If I type in, say, nothing, and I press search, I get a file not found. Also, if I type in a file that does not exist, and press search, file's not found. So, and here's what I typed up. So I typed up company equals company entry dot get lower. So that is going to be grabbing what you type in right here where my mouse is. Then we're going to open up the JSON file. We're just going to have to read it. And we're going to load it. Then we're going to try it first. And if it works, if you're typing in the, actual key that exists, it's going to insert the data into the password box right here. And this is what we're doing here. And the way a dictionary works, you have a key and a value. They're pairs. So you just type in the key and it should give you what the value is. So, and this right here, if you type in something that doesn't exist, you get a key error. And so we're catching that key error, and we're making, that's my visible label I have here, and we're just going to print to the screen, file not found. So I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I can try to address it. My next video is going to be covering the reset click and the generator click, and that's going to be how you be creating your passwords, random passwords, random letters in the password, and there'll be probably just 14 characters long. So that's it for this video. Bye.